Ang layo na ng narating ng Cebuana compared nung first shoot ko for them. From a simple bahay sanglaan, pwede na ring mag-loan sa kanila, aside from remittance, magbayad ng mga bills and magpa-load. Cebuana is now a one-stop financial solutions provider.
Nakakatawa kasi may eksena parang dumalaw sa bahay namin si Miss Sarah, tapos pinakita namin yung bahay namin. Proud na proud kami kasi wala kaming utang, dahil sa Cebuana, Liwilier.
Number 3, and roll playback, roll sound, quiet please, camera, 3, 2, 1, action! Madam, please, come here.
Yes.
I'll show you something that I told you earlier. Hindi kayo. Guys, ready tayo ha? Ready? And 3, 2, 1, tada!
Wow! Bagong-bago.
Oh, diba? Oh, ha? See?
Ganda.
Almost 80% kasi nung like what we did now is parang impromptu eh. So it's her reaction to the talents input.
Roll sound. Quiet please, camera. 3, 2, 1, and action! Come on, madam, let's go.
Okay.
This is what I want to show you earlier. Okay, guys, ready? And 3, 2, 1. Tada!
Wow!
Sa pagtulong ng Cebuana sa financial, nakapundar siya ng bahay, nakapundar siya ng mga gamit. So pinapakita ngayon ni Sarah kung paano umasenso yung isang kliyente ng Cebuana Lulia.
There you go, left. And then we hit the brake slowly. Yeah, you feel it? You feel the smoothness?
Yes.
Oh, look, there's the cat again.
Oh, no!
Most of the scenes here are not scripted. So talagang very natural yung acting ni Sarah, pati yung mga ibang kasama niyang talent.
Yes, we have a new pet.
Yes,
The cat.
oo nga.
Yes. How about the dog there?
Sabihin ko, cut yun, ano? Okay. We have that animated. We also have options na natural lang. Para at least we have options na rin. But of course, si Sarah, as Sarah G.
Bago-bago pa.
Oo, bagong-bago talaga yan. Yan talaga. Favorite color po ng pamilya namin, color blue. Oo. Sige ma'am, try ko.
Ganda
Sige
po.
kayo.
Sige, try ko ah.
Yan, di ba? Ay, Labs! Yung susi!
Ay, ito!
I play with kasi interact. You have to react with whoever's around, your character. Dinumog ka sa bahay mo. So, siyempre, uy, Ma'am Sarah, di ba?
Yan, meron! Oh, dun sa loob ng bahay.
Kailangan kasi para mapansin ka sa dinami-dami ng commercial, kailangan talaga may unique dun sa concept mo. Si Sarah talagang walang sakit sa ulo ba? Alam mong agad gets na niya kagad yung yung role.
Cut!
Ganda! Tama na.
She's very simple. And yet, pure talent is there. And she's actually yung simplicity niya is the most beautiful thing about her.
Lunch break.
Roll playback! Camera! And 3, 2, 1, and action! Welcome to the second floor.
Yes, second floor.
The master's bedroom. Pasok tayo. Ang lamig.
And right now, she matured. Tapos, she's always been professional. So, yun talaga.
Off ko lang si remote control. Yeah! Dito tayo sa restroom.
Masaya naman kahit yun nga, medyo mainit. Pero masaya kasi yung konsepto eh. So, nag-enjoy lang kami.
I'll show you our restroom. Shower head. Hot water! Yeah! Hot water! Ayos na, diba? Ayos na.
Ayos! Tapos dito po, ayos.
Enjoy lang kasi importante, fun eh. fun talaga. So, makikita kasi sa camera if you're having fun, diba?
She's easy to work with, really easy to work with, really madali siyang katrabaho, madali siyang kasama, magaan ang pakiramdam, madaling kausap. So para sa lahat, hindi lang para sa talents, kundi para sa buong production.
Ngayon madaming frames siguro marami naman na mga connected na shots, probably mga around 35 frames. Madami-dami pero given yung madaming number of frames, maaga naman natapos.
Mabait nga siya. Ang lahat nagsasabi kasi mabait siya, and totoo nga. Napaka down to earth, tapos napaka patient din.
Okay, stand by na, magkakuha tayo.